alam niyo naman na autumn na dito sa Canada, and syempre, hindi matatapos ang season na to kung hindi tayo maglalakad or mag-autumn walk. Anyways, as you can see guys, hindi lahat ng puno is nag-change na ang color, right? Doon sa unahan is merong unti-unti nang nag-change into red color. Nakikita niyo ba yan? While ito, malapit na siyang mag-fade. Well, what are your thoughts about it? Alright, so for me, my thoughts are, just like the season, the trees, we as people, we all have our own perfect timing. When that time comes, it is very beautiful. Just like the trees, it's very colorful and beautiful. It's vibrant and mesmerizing, right? Okay, I'm gonna share with you like a little details. Actually, personally, even though I'm already here sa Canada, as a human, nakaka-feel pa rin ako sometimes ng sadness, I mean, depression na, alam mo yung parang nababurnout ka, drain, and you feel like, I'm super tired, and mostly it's all because of keep thinking about the future. Personally, parang ito yung bad side ko na palagi kong iniisip yung future to the point na nababurnout ako. But as I attest myself, I realized na I should, di ba, yun yung palagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na we should be grateful and contented for whatever we have right now. Yes, and because I'm trying to apply it, I'm trying to, not just you guys, I'm trying to like teach myself. Hindi lang dahil sinasabi ko sa inyo, it's because dahil na-experience ko siya. And I realized na we should never be afraid of tomorrow because God is already there. Kung iisipin natin, like, ba't tayo matatakot? God knows our future. And as long as we submit ourselves to Him, and parang we feel natin na we are in comfort no matter what struggle or challenges na ating na-experience sa life right now. And alam natin na mako-conquer or ma-overcome natin with God's help. One thing as well, if you guys like feeling ninyo burnout kayo, sobrang drain kayo, lalo na ngayon, naggrabe yung mga social media, different kinds, different ideas, different topic. Actually, isa din yan sa rason talaga na nakakapag-drain sa atin. Try nyo guys na i-off nyo talaga yung phone nyo. Huwag kayong mag-social media. Like, iwasan yung gumamit sa cellphone nyo, kahit mag-ML, huwag kayong mag-ML kasi nakaka-drain din yan ng brain natin. And instead, just focus on something beautiful like this one. Go outside, have some walk, fresh air, do some activities, hit that gym. What else? Like, just do something that make our life beautiful and meaningful, just like autumn. That's it. Hi everyone! So, papunta tayo sa another spot, beautiful spot. Nakita ko yun kanina nung nag-morning walk ako and sobrang ganda. But, I don't think, kailangan pa kasi lakarin and may sunset na. I don't think ano pa natin yun. Ano yun? I don't think mahahabol. Parang hindi na siguro. Anyways, it's fine. Try na lang natin other day. And Yes, punta tayo ng different location para hindi isang location lang yung nakikita nyo. So, that's it for today. Bye! Love you all! Okay, so now, magluluto tayo ng pork kimchi, Korean style. And samahan nyo ako, punta tayo sa Asian store. Let's go! So we're now home here, and alright, so all our ingredients are complete. So I'm excited to share with you guys. We're gonna make pork kimchi. Actually, this is my favorite dish of Korean food. Like, first time na na-try ko to doon sa mini kitchen. Like, OMG, ang sarap talaga. Alam mo yung nakalimutan mo ang pangalan mo. Sino ako, Char? Pero pag ako magluto, hindi siya masyadong masarap. Sakto lang. Yung, sakto lang na hindi ka namamatay sa gutom. Yan lang. Alright, so, without further ado, let's get started. I need to start na kasi ang dami ko pang gagawin. So, yeah. Alright, so guys, it's here. Tingnan nyo. Diba ang sarap? Tingnan nyo. It looks so good. Pero dahil ako ang nagluto, hindi siya promising na masarap. Basta importante, makakain, diba? Yeah, let's go. Good morning! So, ngayon is Monday and ang dami nating gagawin. Wait lang, ano ba? So, pinakauna, I'm not sure kung makakaya natin siya in just one day. Pero pag hindi, we're just gonna do it maybe next week. Kasi, uuwi ako sa Pilipinas and kailangan nating mag-process ng OEC and need ko din i-process ang aking OHIP. And buti na lang, day off ko ngayong Monday dahil hindi ko to magagawa pag weekend kasi close. Yeah, let's go! Hi everyone! So we're done. Tapos na tayo sa OHIP. Now, punta na naman tayo sa OEC. So, medyo mainit. Buti na lang ito yung dala natin dahil wala tayong payo. And, alam niyo naman, naka-rejuve ang mukha natin. So, kailangan ng panangga. So, yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy talaga dahil hindi masyado mahaba yung pila kanina. Dahil usually, sobrang taas. Ay, buho ko nakakain ko. Usually kasi sobrang taas. I mean, sobrang haba ng pila. Pero kanina, sakto lang. Mga 1 hour lang yung hinintay ko. And at least natapos agad ako before 12. So now at least we have the whole day. Let's go! And before 12, so now at least marami pa tayong time mag-process para sa OEC. Now I'm going there, so let's go! Guys, update. Umuwi muna ako dahil naiwan ko yung passport ko. And, grabe. Inaantok ako pero hindi pwedeng matulog kasi marami pa tayong gagawin. And we cannot afford to waste time, right? Alright, so actually yun lang yung inuwi ko talaga dahil naiwan ko yung passport ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. Actually, naka-ready yun kanina. Tapos pagpunta ko dun sa OHIP, buti na lang pwede ang credit card as replacement. So, at least naging successful yung transaction. So, ngayon, I just wanna make sure to bring my passport before ako pumunta para mag-process ng OEC para hindi tayo pa ulit-ulit. Ay, alam niyo yun, yung pabalik-balik. So, yeah. Gotta know how to get it, gotta know what you want, gotta know how to get it, know what you want, gotta know how to get it, gotta know what you want, gotta know how to get it. Hi guys! So, I'm home na pala and sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. So, natulog muna ako. Actually, hindi natapos yung OEC natin na process. Kasi, sobrang stricto nila. Dapat kasi may photocopy ng work permit and ng employment mo. Kaso yung sa akin, isa lang and then di ko naman alam saan makapag-photocopy dito. So, kailangan ko pang pumunta sa work ko and then parang tinamad na rin silang mag-process. Kaya sinabihan na lang nila ako na balikan na lang next time kung meron ka ng copies noon, ganun. And, yun. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako makapag-print doon, makahanap ng printing machine. Unlike sa Pilipinas na madali lang, diba? Dito kasi mahirap. At kung meron man, ang layo pa ng babiyahiin mo. Another time consuming, ganun. So, anyways, buti nakawin na ako. Babalik na lang ako doon mga next week on Monday. Tulog muna ako saglit, mga 30 minutes. Then, after that, marami akong gagawin. So, that's it for today. Bye! So, guys, this is my favorite ice cream. Yeah, it's really good. And it's $4.93. Diba? Ang laki na. $9.27 pala. Fake news ang $4.93. Ay, ito maliit. Guys, TNT ang lagayan natin. Dito tayo sa Walmart. Tapos TNT ang bag. Guys, look. This is so cute. Right? Look at that. Hi everyone. So I'm currently editing right now. So it's almost 12. And I need a drink. Which is my... Kailangan ko ng pampa-inspire kasi matagal mag-edit. Baka mamaya pa ako matapos. Siguro 1 or 2 a.m. Hindi ko alam. Masarap. I'm so happy. The girl is so happy. You know what? I'm trying, not really trying, but every day I practice myself na be able to enjoy into little things, to appreciate, to be grateful for small things and simple things. Kasi should learn to be contented on the things that we have right now. Be contented, be grateful, and be appreciative. So, Otherwise, ang daming daldas. Kailangan ko lang mag-edit. I don't have that much time, so let's go.